The Meta Performance Dashboard shows your Meta advertising performance at the account, campaign, and time level. Use it to check spend efficiency, catch creative fatigue, and decide where to scale or cut budget. Go to Dashboards and select Meta Performance. Set your reporting period with the date range selector, then enable Show Comparison to overlay the same metrics from a previous period. That way you're reading a trend, not just a single snapshot. Before any budget decision on a specific campaign, use the campaign filter to isolate it instead of reading performance blended across the whole account. At the top, you'll see KPI cards for spend, purchases, cost per purchase, return on ad spend, cost per 1,000 impressions, and link clicks. You can customize these. Select up to 6, remove any, and reorder them, keeping only the metrics you actually act on. A card you never reference during a review is noise. One thing to know about the return on ad spend shown here. This is Meta's own self-reported number, not LayerFive attribution. For the true cross-channel picture, compare it against LayerFive return on ad spend on the Executive Summary dashboard. The Key KPIs trend chart plots your selected metrics over time with daily granularity, so you can spot when a metric started moving, not just that it moved. Below that, performance by time switches the table between year, month, week, and day views. Use daily granularity when you're diagnosing a sudden change, and weekly or monthly when you're reporting a trend. The campaign performance table breaks everything down campaign by campaign, sortable across cost, clicks, cost per acquisition, purchases, revenue, and return on ad spend. This is where you find the specific campaign dragging or driving the account after the summary cards told you something changed. When you're deciding whether to scale a campaign, sort by return on ad spend and cost per acquisition together, not either one alone. And if click-through rate or cost per click has drifted worse over several weeks, that's usually creative fatigue. Check the trend chart for the point where it turned. That's the Meta Performance Dashboard. Come here to judge Meta spend on its own, then cross-check attribution on the Executive Summary.